Hi guys, this is Saurav. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add contact form in your WordPress website. So here you can see that's my WordPress website here. I'm going to the dashboard here first to add contact form. So here you can see that's my dashboard here. Now first we need to install one plugin to display contact form in our WordPress website. So click on plugin section and click on add new here. And here we need to type WPForms and wait some seconds, and you will see here that's the contact form by WPForms. So that's the plugin here, contact form. So we are going to install this plugin. Click on install. So here you can see 3+ million active installation plus 5-star rating, right? So now click on activate this plugin. Now here you can see that's the first page of this form, and you can see here you also have pro version, so you will get these features. Okay, and I'm going to use here free. So create your first form, click on this button here, and after this you can see here form name. So I'm going to just put here my contact form 3. Okay, that's my contact form 3. That's my contact form name. And here you can see there are 4 options: blank form, simple contact form, newsletter sign up form, and suggestion form. So I'm going to use here simple contact form. So just click on this and wait some seconds, and you will see here that's the form here. So if I want to add one more field like a number, so you have to just simple, you can see a number, just drag and drop this like see here, and click on this number field, and you will see here required. You can make it required. Okay, if you really need this number from your user, you have to just check this required field. Fine. So we have to get this information in our email ID. So we have to set up the email ID. So you can see here setting option. Just click on the setting and click on here notification, and you will see here default notification is sent to email address is your WordPress website admin email address. Or if you want to get this address or information about user in another email ID, so you can just put your another email ID, like that one is my another email ID, and you just put here one, and you need to just click on save symbol. Wait some second and just click on this cross button, and you will see here contact form 3. I'm going to just copy and paste this contact form shortcut code, and now here we need to click on add new page. We have to create one contact form page here. Okay, I'm using here default editor, and just my page name is contact form, and click on this plus sign, and we have to enter your shortcode code. Okay, what we have copied, and just Control V, it means paste. Just paste this code and just click on publish and wait some seconds, and you will see here view page. I'm going to click on this view page, and let's see how it's look. So here you can see there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 fields. Okay, so I'm going to just enter here my name, my number, and email address. I'm going to use another email address like this, and some message like that's message from my contact form testing. Fine. Click on just submit button. Fine. You will see thanks for contacting us. We will be in touch with you shortly. And that's the email you can see here. And you can see here Saurav name, number, email, and comment or message here. Fine. So that's very easy way to add contact form in your WordPress website. Fine. If you have any doubt, you can ask me on comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like my video, subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.